मैथ शिक्षक चैनल में आप सभी का स्वागत है। मैथ शिक्षक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें। चलिए आज के वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। आज की वीडियो में वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट टाइप्स ऑफ मैट्रिसेस। In previous class we defined a matrix. In matrix, what are the elements, what are the rows, what are the columns, we already learned in the previous class. So let us recall the matrix. Matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers in rows and columns. So a rectangular arrangement of numbers in rows and columns is known as matrix, and every numbers in a matrix is called element of matrix. So there are many rows and many columns are there in matrix. Square matrix. So what is meant by square matrix? A matrix in which number of rows and number of columns are equal. Suppose if there are two rows and there should be two columns, then only we can say that the given matrix is a square matrix. So what is meant by square matrix? A matrix in which number of rows and number of columns are equal. A matrix in which number of rows is equal to number of columns. Number of rows is equal to number of columns, means is called as square matrix. Number of rows and number of columns should be equal. Take example 1, 2, 3, 4. How many rows are there? 1 row, 2 rows. These are the rows and these are the columns. 1 row, 2 row, 2 rows. How many columns? 1 column, 2 columns. So in this matrix 2 rows are there and 2 columns are there. Therefore this matrix is a square matrix. Take another example 1, 0, 2, minus 3, 4, 7, 8, 6, minus 2. Now look at this matrix. How many rows are there? 3 rows are there. Look here. 1 row, 2 row, 3 row. And how many columns are there? 3 columns. 1 column, 2 column, 3 columns. Therefore, the matrix having 3 rows and 3 columns. Therefore, this matrix is called as square matrix. Then second one is diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. So what is diagonal matrix? In a square matrix, all the elements of square matrix equal to 0 except diagonal. That means a non-diagonal matrix, elements of a square matrix is 0 and diagonal element should not equal to 0. That means if each non-diagonal elements of a square matrix is equal to 0. Then it is called as diagonal matrix. DIA, diagonal matrix. So what is meant by diagonal matrix? If in a square matrix, if all the element should be 0 except diagonal matrix, then it is called diagonal matrix. Let us take one example. 1 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 5. So here, except this diagonal, this is a diagonal, except this diagonal, each element is 0. Then it is called diagonal matrix. Take one example, -3 0 5 comma 0 comma 6. Now look at this matrix. The diagonal elements are -3 and 6. So remaining elements are 0. Therefore, if in a square matrix all elements should be equal to 0 except diagonal elements, means diagonal elements should not equal to 0. Other elements, remaining elements must be equal to 0. Then we can say that the matrix is diagonal matrix. The next, scalar matrix. Next one is scalar matrix. So what is scalar matrix? In a square matrix, except diagonal matrix, all elements should be 0 and the diagonal elements are equal to each other. Means if in a square matrix all non-diagonal elements is equals to 0 and diagonal elements equal to each other, then it is called as scalar matrix. So what is scalar matrix? 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2. So this is scalar matrix. Why? Because the diagonal elements are same. Diagonal elements should be equal and remaining elements must be 0, then only we can say that scalar matrix is a the given matrix is a scalar matrix. So what is scalar matrix? If a non-diagonal elements equal to 0 and the diagonal elements are equal to each other, then only we can say that the matrix is scalar matrix. Another example, take -3 0 0 -3 or 6 0 0 0 6 0 0 0 6. So these are the examples of scalar matrix. Next, identity matrix. Identity matrix or unit matrix. Identity matrix or unit matrix. If in a square matrix, if the diagonal elements of a matrix is equal to 1 and rest of the elements is equal to 0, then it is called as unit or identity matrix. So what is identity matrix? A square matrix in which only diagonal elements are 1 and remaining elements or rest of the elements should be equal to 0. Then only we can say that given matrix is the identity matrix or unit matrix. Take the example 1 0 0 1. In this matrix, the diagonal elements are only 1 and remaining elements are 0. In the same way, second 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. In the second matrix, see diagonal elements 1 1 1. This is the diagonal elements and remaining elements are 0. Therefore, it is unit matrix or identity matrix. Null matrix or zero matrix. Null matrix or zero matrix. If each elements of a matrix is equal to 0, then it is null or zero matrix. Example 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So null matrix or zero matrix means every element of a matrix is equal to 0 or each element of a matrix is equal to 0, then we can say that the matrix is null matrix or zero matrix. The next, row matrix. Row matrix. A matrix with only one row is called as row matrix. Example, 1 2 3 -6 0 1 -3 -8 -7 0 1 2. So these are the row matrix. Next, column matrix. Column matrix. A matrix with only one column is called as column matrix. Example, 1 2 3 6 0 1 -8 7 3 0 2 8. These are the examples of column matrix. Upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix. A matrix in which all elements below the diagonal is equal to 0, then it is upper triangular matrix. Example, 1 2 3 0 0 4 5 6. Next, -3 1 0 4. Next, -3 0 0 2 1 0 4 6 0 0 5. So look here, upper triangle matrix, that means the elements below the diagonals equal to 0, then it is called upper triangular matrix. the elements below the diagonal is equal to 0. That means equal to 0. Then we can say that the given matrix is an upper triangular matrix. The next, lower triangular matrix. Lower triangular matrix. A matrix in which all elements above the diagonal is equals to 0. Then it is lower triangular matrix. So what is lower triangular matrix? All elements above the diagonal. Let's see. 1 0 0 2 3 0 4 5 3. So diagonal is 1 3 3. So our diagonal each element is 0. Therefore it is lower triangular matrix. Next 1 0 2 minus 4. Then 1 2 3 4 minus 8 0 0 0 0. Okay, 1 2 3 are the elements of a diagonal, main diagonal. Then above main diagonal remaining elements are 0. Therefore it is lower. And below diagonal the elements are 0. Therefore it is upper diagonal, upper triangular matrix. Okay. So friends, we have to stop here. Later will be continuing in the next class. If anybody does not subscribe our channel, kindly subscribe our channel, like our channel and share with your friends.